Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on this brand new 2025 Yamaha 222XE we just got in stock. You'll see we have this one in the black color paired with the tandem axle trailer, the galvanized trailer. This one comes with the sports tower. You do have a full bimini up there, swivel board racks, really convenient to stow away your boards. Coming around to the back, you'll see we have an awesome, spacious swim platform lounging area. You have a center ladder here, does have a table mount. You do have a stereo head on your stern here as well. Washouts for the engine. You do have storage compartments under this hatch here, as well as your cleanouts for the engine. You have transom speakers on this one, which is nice when you're tied up at sandbar. You do have storage in the backs of both of these loungers as well. Moving on in, you'll see it's a nice easy walkthrough over the engine compartment. Easy access to your engines as well. Tons of seating for a 22-foot. Comes with the dual captains setup. You do have a dedicated space for your cooler as well. Moving on up, you'll see on the helm side, you do have a bolster. This is swivel, slide, and recline. You'll notice the massive touchscreen display. You got your gauge clusters, your mapping, all of your electronic controls. You have buttons for the stuff that you want to get at conveniently, your accessories, your blower, your horn, bilge, navigation lights. You do have a rotary encoder for your screen as well. Comes with a wireless phone charger, easy one-hand installation. You also have electronic controls over here with some extra cup holders. All right, moving over to the passenger side here, you'll see you have a nice captain's chair, very comfortable. You also have a glove box here, extra glove box here. Some cup holders, another wireless charging pad for your phone. Nice non-skid up here to put miscellaneous items. Moving on up to the front, you'll notice you have a massive storage locker with your ballast tank, your center ballast tank in there as well. Tons of storage on either side console. Dedicated garbage. You also have your cushions for the bow up here. I'll show you in a second. On this side, you have extra storage as well as a wind dam. You can close this off with the windshield, keep the cockpit protected from wind. Moving on up to the bow here, you'll see it's got a ton of seating. Super spacious for a 22-foot, nice and deep and comfortable, secure. You do have storage on either side underneath the seat cushions. Again, tons of cup holders. You got two over there, two extra up here on either side. This also, when I mentioned those pads in the side console, you can fill this out and do a full lounger, full bed. Really cool option. And then last but not least, you have nice access to your anchor locker as well as your flip out bow ladder. You'll see they got nice cascading staircase down in, so it's easy in and out. If you like this boat, we'd love to see you here. Visit our website, give us a call. Again, I'm Caleb from MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks for watching.